I'm Darren Kagan with your Tonic Minute. Let's take a moment to celebrate news that's positively good. Singer Beyonce is inspiring more than just all the single ladies. She's leading a movement of ladies, gentlemen, and people of all ages in fighting hunger in America. She wants you to bring non-perishable food to her I Am Summer concert series. You can also donate online at showyourhelpinghand.com. It's all about delivering more than 3.5 million meals to food banks across America, which Beyonce plans to do by the end of summer. Speaking of summer, word on the street is that it's extra hard for teenagers to find summer jobs this year. Well, one girl in Connecticut is changing that. Laura Durst created workinmyroom.com when she was only 16. She helps teens find jobs like blogging, tutoring, and taking surveys. The kind of work where you might not even have to leave your house and possibly turn into jobs that last the whole year. Sounds like reason to celebrate. Speaking of celebrating, one of the best parts of being a kid is birthday parties. What was the coolest party you ever had? Well, while you're thinking about that, you might not know that birthdays of a lot of homeless kids go unnoticed. No home, no party. That's why birthdaywishes.org is changing that one birthday at a time. They're providing on-site parties at shelters. Birthday Wishes volunteers put the parties on, and at safe shelters that don't allow outside visitors, well, birthdaywishes.org sends along a birthday in a box program. They're throwing more than 1,200 birthdays a year. Now that's a lot of wishes come true. Those are just a few of the positively good things happening in the world today. For more, just click allaroundtonic.com. And for more stories that show the world what's possible, join me over at darrenkagan.com. I'm Darren Kagan, asking you, what positively good are you putting out in the world today?